Hi guys, this is Framester14 and today we are behind the wheel of a naturally aspirated V8 Volkswagen. Just kidding, it's the Audi RS5, the 2011 Audi RS5, and I'm quite excited to drive this car because when I started up the car, the exhaust was insane. Car for another 1 hour and I have about 20 kilometers to drive this car, so I'm going to share you my impression on this car. So yeah, let's go. Quite excited. So yeah, talking about the performance of this car, this comes with a naturally aspirated 4.2 liter V8 that used to be in the older gen Audi R8 V8s, and this produces in stock condition 450 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. But this car is not stock. This car has a stage 2 ECU and TCU remap, and it has a full system Akrapovic titanium exhaust, and this has a ECS carbon fiber cold air intake, and this produces about 550 horsepower and upwards of 500 Nm of torque, and the power goes down to all the 4 wheels. It's a quattro, and the result, a 0 to 100 in about 4 or 5 seconds. And it is just amazing. It puts a smile on your face straight away. Guys, I was just exploring the different modes. So this has a comfort mode, auto mode and dynamic mode, and all these modes adjust the engine response, the transmission, the suspension, everything. So I'm currently in the comfort mode, the most comfiest setting of the RS5, and this is like an ordinary car. I mean, the RPM is at about 1800. I am at 70 kilometers per hour and it's on the 7th gear, and I can't hear anything. It's so smooth. It's like you're driving 2 different cars, honestly. You just put it on dynamic mode, you can just hear the exhaust. So when you put it to dynamic mode, automatically the gear drops from 7th to the 3rd, and the exhaust valves open. Oh my god, wow. You guys need to hear this. Auto mode now and see what auto is about. Okay. So in auto, everything's auto basically. So if you want to drive slow, it goes into a comfort mode, and if you step on the throttle, it goes into dynamic mode. So that's what auto is. It's actually a mammoth in sheep's clothing. This is all I can say about this car. That perfectly describes this car. So here's the Audi RS5. In the front you can see the bumper has been repainted in silver right here. It's got a silver lip which actually looks great. Even the grille is in silver. It actually matches well with the red paint. You can see the silver on the ORVMs over here, and the door border also has the silver. These are 19-inch tires. A 2-door coupe. Right here, it looks amazing. You can see a sunroof right there, and in the rear you can see a deployable spoiler. I mean, it looks like the A5 coupe that used to come out of India. It never came to India, but it came in the guise of the RS5 in India. Let's step inside and check out what's there inside. So as you can see, this has frameless doors which look very sporty. In the interiors, not much to see, but you can see it's aged really well now. Let's start her up. Wow. And as I told you, this car has Akrapovic full system exhaust, and these are the modes: comfort, auto, dynamic. In dynamic, the valves actually open up. I don't know if you can notice, but this is closed. This is on. This is closed. This is on. And surprisingly, the rear seats are very comfy and quite easy to get in and get out. And yeah, you can see the speedometer goes all the way up to 320 kilometers an hour, which is madness. I mean, yeah, nothing else to see in the interiors. It's over here. Also, a cool thing I noticed is, so we press this and the sun blinds come up. There you go. So now I will just drive the car in front a bit. And now if I want to put it into reverse, the rear sun blind actually retracts. There you can see. Automatically it's going down. I mean, it's a small thing which I found really cool. This is how the car looks from the inside when we are driving it. That's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this small video on the Audi RS5. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and also follow my Instagram page @Framester14. It's down in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.